So welcome guys, it's my first ever recipe I would like to share with you. I've been thinking for a very long time to come up with some kind of food which I'm just kind of experimenting on myself and had worked really very well. So this is called peanut butter vegan laddus, and it's really nice that you can keep the craving for sweets but still eat healthy. And so I've tried it a few times, and whoever has eaten it really loved it, and they wanted me to come up with the video and just show them how quickly can I make it and what ingredients I'm using. So we'll just quickly go through the ingredients and then we'll see the procedure how to make it. So we're gonna use 5 things in it. Peanut butter and oats. Don't worry about the quantity. I'll just mention it separately in the description down below. Or let me just tell you for now how much I'm measuring it. I'm taking 160 grams of peanut butter, 100 grams of oats, and say 40-50 grams of seeds. Any seeds you can put, but I've tried to make it mixed seeds like sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and dark chocolate chips. And it depends upon you. I'm trying to keep it vegan, so I've used vegan dark chocolate chips, and to just add a flavor of bit of sweetness, honey. So we'll just put everything together and mix it. So I'll first start with, say, oats. So I'm just gonna put it here. Then I'm gonna add peanut butter. And it is always bit. Yes, now the seeds and my favorite chocolate chips, and honey you can put according to the taste. If you want to make it too sweet, you can probably add say, like, according, just up to your taste. But once I put it 2 spoonfuls and I felt a little less, so I'm just gonna maybe add, I think, around 3 to 4 spoons of it. And now I'm just gonna mix it all together. It will be a little effort to do it because you know, peanut butter is very sticky and putting all these things together. So, but after some time it will just all be blended together. And yeah. So guys, I have mixed all the ingredients together. So now we can see that it's all been blended together. So we don't need to do much now. We just need to chill it down for 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna put it into the fridge and wait for 15 minutes. So guys, 15 minutes over and it looks a little chilled, and it can be easy to roll into laddus. So what I've done is I've just make a little setup here with some oats and mini chocolate chips. So I'm just gonna start making laddus and just roll it over to have a little textures on the surface so that it looks nice. So it depends upon the size. There is no this thing. It depends upon the size. I like to actually make smaller laddus because it's easier to eat and to share as well. Because if you have a bigger laddu, then probably sometimes you feel like, oh, it's gonna be too much, and yeah. So I think a laddu of this size, I think it's nice to me. And then I just get this ready, and there you go. Healthy vegan peanut butter laddu ready for you. Full of nutrition. There is no, I don't see any harm in eating this. It has a lot of protein. It has like oats, which can give you energy, like carbohydrates for a longer time, and seeds, raw food, and honey. Honey is my personal favorite. It is something I think we should make honey culture, and all that. My effort, I think, in next few years is going to be bringing honey into everybody's daily life. So guys, enjoy this laddu. And probably I think they're going to be around to 15 to 16 laddus we're going to make in all the ingredients which we did today. And please come back to me and say, and please tell me your feedback and how did you like it. And I'm just looking forward to make them all and eat. Looking forward to make more videos in future. Thank you guys. Cheers.
Excellent.
Finally, all the laddus are rolled and they look amazing. They're around, I think, 22 to 23 laddus, so which is good, I think. And one extra thing I just added in the end was just sprinkling little ground almonds on it to just give it a nice little, like, kind of, it's very good. It looks amazing, and at the same time just gives extra bit of taste of almonds, and nice. So enjoy. Thank you.